Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing ribbon cake recipe. In a bowl, add 250 grams of butter. Beat it. Add 250 grams of sugar powdered in batches and beat. Beat till fluffy and creamy. Add 4 eggs one at a time and beat it. In a bowl, add 250 grams of sieved flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the wet ingredients. Beat it. Add the dry ingredients and milk in batches and fold. I am using total half cup of milk for this recipe. Divide the batter into 3 portions and put in 3 separate bowls. In one bowl, add a drop of pink food color and mix. In another bowl, add a drop of green food color and mix. In the other bowl, add a drop of yellow food color and mix. Grease 2 baking pans and line with parchment paper. First I am adding a layer of yellow batter. Now I am adding a layer of pink batter. Then I added a layer of green batter. Then add a layer of yellow batter. Follow the same steps for the second baking pan. Tap the baking pans to remove the air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked the cakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. But do check after 25 minutes whether the cakes are ready. After removing the cakes from the oven, let them cool. Once the cakes are cooled, unmold it onto a plate. This cake is yummy. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.